Hey guys, I'm Emmanuel and this is Skills Tech, and today we're gonna go over whether or not you should buy a PC today. What's today? August 16th? Yes, August 16th. Today's Sunday, August 16th, and we have a few more weeks till we're gonna see parts releasing like crazy. We're gonna see GPUs, CPUs, brand new architectures, like brand new processes, brand new motherboards. We're gonna see them all in the next month or so. I'm giving it's gonna be what, a week till the new AMD motherboard comes out. I believe it's called the A520 motherboard. Is coming out in about a week or so. So that's gonna be for entry-level PCs and such. Nothing crazy. It's also gonna be running PCIe 3, not 4. So we're not gonna see anything brand new there. It's probably just gonna have the new chipset and that's it. Let's get started. Where to start? There's so much going on. We got AMD with their 4000 series. We got Intel with their 12th gen Rocket Lake. We got two GPU companies going at it. We got AMD and Nvidia. We got Nvidia with their Ampere series coming out, and we got AMD with Big Navi and their RDNA 2 architecture. Like, shit's gonna be crazy. I heard that the 3090, 3080, 3070, and 3060, the 30 series, I heard that their memory specs got released. We got the 3090 with 24 gigs. We got the 3080 with 20 gigs. We got the 3070, I want to say, with 16 gigs. And we got the 3060 with 12 gigs. That's a big boost. I don't know what Nvidia had in mind, but holy shit. 3090 at 24 gigs? Like, what? Are they, like, what? I also heard rumors that the RDNA 2 Big Navi is going to be 40-50% faster than the 2080 Ti, and I'm guessing with Nvidia's big memory upgrade, it's probably also going to be 50% faster than their old generation, than the 20 series. Insane. We got Intel. I think they're struggling at the moment on keeping up with the release dates. AMD's on track. They haven't said anything yet, but the last time Lisa talked, the CEO of AMD, she said that they're on track, they're good to go. So looks like we're gonna have AMD GPUs and CPUs on time. So it looks like AMD's 4000 series Zamir is going to be using a new architecture, their Zen 3, and it's going to be running on the same process as their last CPUs, 7nm process. So that's pretty good. Oh yeah, it looks like Intel is also going to be running on a new process, a 10nm process, which is going to be great for them. Finally, it looks like we're going to be seeing better performance. Honestly, I don't remember the exact rumored specs that the Intel 12th gen is going to be running on, so we're just gonna skip. Alright, let's get into it. Should you buy a PC right now, August 16th, 2020? No. I think you should wait. You got at most 2-3 months of waiting. and the parts that are going to come out are rumored to be 30, 40, 50% faster than today's hardware. That's insane. That's insane. The 3090 Ti has 24 gigs. The 3080 has, did I say 3090? The 3090 has 24 gigs. The 3080 has 20 gigs. That's insane. That's a huge increase. What did the 2080 Ti have? I remember the 2080 Ti had 11 gigs at most. We're talking double. We're talking double the memory on these cards. GDDR6X, insane. I'm telling you right now, wait, it's going to be worth it. You're going to be mad that you spent $2,000, $3,000 building your PC with parts today and not getting the performance of 2-3 months from now. Like, so while you're waiting for these parts to release, you could go ahead and go buy a power supply, a case, RAM, CPU cooler, and peripherals like keyboard, mouse, headset, all that jazz. That won't hurt you in any way or form. You should be good to go. It won't do anything to your performance. The only thing I'm worried about is I heard that Nvidia is going to have a new 12-pin connector, and I'm not sure if that has anything to do with your power supply, if they're going to change anything. I'm not sure if they're going to give you an adapter or so, but if they play their cards right, I'm pretty sure you should be able to go ahead and buy a power supply or use the one that you're using now. All the parts that I just mentioned are rumored to be 30, 40, 50% faster than the previous generation. 30, 40, 50% faster. Double the speed. It's a no-brainer. Come on. I mean, if you're building a budget build, like you want to stick with your 1660 Ti's and your 3300X, and you're really desperate to start gaming now, I mean, you could go for it, or you could wait and see if the new hardware takes over the price or pushes down that price. Honestly, I don't think things are gonna move a lot in prices. That's the scary thing right now. We don't know what the prices are gonna be. I'm over here telling people like, yeah, I'm going straight for the 3090. I don't know how much that thing's gonna be. I'm just kind of like, oh crap, $2,000, okay, ouch. So I'm hoping it's just gonna be the same. Actually, what am I saying? The Titan is what, $2,000, $3,000. So I guess that's what I'm going to be expecting. But I'm hoping at least the 3080 is going to be the same price as the 2080. So let's hope that's the case. I hope they don't increase it because we're getting double the speed, or else, you know, people are just gonna go with their 3070s and 3060s, and those things are gonna be untouched unless it's like big number people like me who just want to see big numbers on their computer screen for no reason. Make it look nice. Anyways, guys, I said my part. It's all your choice at the end. I hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe if it did. If not, you know what to do. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.